Look at that. It's better than Mark's machine.
No.
It's amazing. It's so quiet.
It's beauty.
Silent. Wait for it.
Now
So it
you
goes,
now you guys won't do that kind of that angry door slam when you make a coffee in the morning and you're on the phone.
What? Okay, that looks like a good 2 ounces.
Well, 30. How long are you supposed to go for? 32 seconds.
38.1.
Depends how long it takes to go through.
So pre-infusion, the timer doesn't technically start till the liquid hits the cup. So it doesn't know when the liquid hits the cup. So
That's a stupid time.
Should we run another one?
Yeah. Go again.
And then I'd call it good, right?
How's the steam doing?
Stop flying the water.
Working.
It's just a raising water.
There it goes.
Okay. It's cleaned it now. No, everything's flashing, so you've got to wait a little while for the temperatures to come back up again.
Is that what that is?
It's got a quick flash. I think it's saying wait for me there.
Yeah, 2 nights. It's nearly there, 1 night.
So it's cycling from one boiler to the next, and it just means it's heating when it's like when the light's flashing.
Okay.
But you don't have to wait. It's good to go. You can look at the pressure and see that it's.
Pre-infused.
8-second
You
pre-infuse.
can look at the temperature and see that it's ready.
Ooh, look at that. Let's see, the pre-infusion made a difference.
Silent. So smooth. We're gonna have to have a conversation now. We're making coffee.
Why doesn't it flash when the coffee's
It is. You just have to employ an
Oh, it's for the light. That's all it does.
Yeah, that's all
The
it is.
on-off switch is not with the coffee machine.
Yeah. Yeah, there isn't a master switch. They just have the light on and off switch. There you go. That's a mega shot. 35.5.
Post infusion?
Yeah.
You
can
got
turn it
steep
all the
some
way
milk.
up. There you
Milk, steam milk.
go. Well, when are you guys gonna drink this one?
Looks like
Honestly.
poison.
Well, if we're gonna make it, I'm gonna make one and then I'll see.
There's nothing wrong with that. What's wrong with
Do
that?
it again. When you guys take it now. Yeah, after.
How is it? Someone gonna drink it?
I have very poor taste, which you've proven many times. So I'm serving dreadful coffee, and you go, that's delicious. And then you laugh and say it's from Kirkwood.
The ski resort?
Yeah. That's pretty cold. Cold?
Maybe your cup was cold.
Well, yeah.
That's always a problem. Is
Wait,
if
the
you
coffee
don't
should be warm.
if you don't heat the cup, there's not the cup. Well, I also think you didn't. The cup will cool it, but I also think the portafilter wasn't hot. So if the portafilter's not hot, it's solid brass. So
Is any of this?
Yeah, it's going to take a while.
This isn't that hot yet.
Right. Oh, yeah. Compared to
Normally that's burny hot.
Right.
yeah, you got to wait for that to heat up.
I think the whole machine needs another 20 minutes to just warm it up.
Yeah, it's only been on for like 10 minutes, so not enough.
And the temperature's only at 192.
So it's cold, cold?
No, it's lukewarm. As in, I've drunk warmer.
I think 192 is the target temperature, though. Yeah, it is. So it's 192. I think that's the target temperature. Sounds about right.
How sure are you, sir?
Lots of flash.
About 75% sure.
That's pretty high. Well.
All right, well, very exciting having a new machine in the office.
Thanks.